Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Weebly account step by step. If you no longer want to use Weebly and want to permanently remove your account, this guide will help you do it quickly. Let's get started. Weebly is a website builder owned by Block Inc. that allows users to create websites, blogs, and online stores. Here's how to delete your account. Step 1. Log in to your Weebly account. First, go to the Weebly website and sign in using your email and password. Once you are logged in, you will see your account dashboard. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Click on your profile icon or account name. Then select Account Settings from the menu. Step 3. Find the Account Management section. Scroll down the Account Settings page until you find the Account Management section. Here, you will see options related to your account. Step 4. Click Delete Account. Look for the Delete Account option. Click on it to begin the account deletion process. Step 5. Confirm the deletion. Weebly will ask you to confirm your decision. You may also need to enter your password again to verify the request. Step 6. Complete the process. After confirming, your Weebly account will be permanently deleted. This will remove your websites, account data, and associated information. Important tip: before deleting your account, make sure to download or back up any website content you want to keep, because the deletion cannot be undone. And that's it. That's how you delete your Weebly account step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.